Good morning, dear children. This lesson is for class 5. The form, the cargoes, the form cargoes. That I explained to you the first paragraph. In that 5 stanzas are there. Not stanzas, I mean 3 stanzas and 5 lines are there in each stanza. So this is for class 5 poem. Now, taking first one, you have finished. Now, coming into the second stanza. Stately Spanish galleon coming from the isthmus, dipping through the tropics by the palm green shores, with the cargo of diamonds, emeralds, amethyst, topazes, and cinnamon and gold my doors. Now, this is first, let us see the meaning of these words. Now, Spanish, these ships are coming from Spanish. Now, here a galleon means a large sailing vessel with 3 or 4 masts used from around 1400 to around 1600 to carry cargo and to wage war. During war, they used to carry the things in this. So, one kind of large vessel type. Understood? Now, coming from the isthmus, what is isthmus now here? A strip of land with the water on both sides that connects two large land masses, such as the isthmus of Panama that connects South America to North America. So, when you happen to look at the map, you can see how those islands are. This is like an island, all both sides or both sides water, and between this place is located. Dipping through the tropics by. Now, tropics means extreme summer, very extreme summer. Now, what happens to the second paragraph? Coming to the second stanza, in the sea, we have seen how the waves move up and down. You have visited the seas. So the ships are also moving up and down. How the waves go up and down, in the same time, the ships also go up and down. Palm green sea beaches. Palm green, you have seen. The sea beaches are how they look sideways green on the palm edges, you say, isn't it? Now what happens here? Cargo they carry is, now they carry some things in this. What are the things? These cargo diamonds. Diamonds, very expensive thing. Then emeralds. So then after that, emeralds, what is there? And cinnamon. Then amethyst. There are so many things that ships will carry, and gold that what is that called? Coins, mindors. That's called mindors. So these are the things these ships will carry. The British ship, Spanish, they carry in this ship and they will reach to another place. Now coming to the third stanza of this poem. Now third stanza, what does it say? Dirty British coaster with the salt-caked smokestack butting through the channel in the Mad March days with the cargo of thine coal, road rails, pig lead, firewood, iron ore, and cheap tin trays. Now, there are dirty ships also. Now, some ships are very dirty because they come from distant place and they are not clean. Everything is carried in that. Now, these are, of course, Dirty because they are coming from very distance, place they're not looking very ugly, they look not clean, not shining. So, and they carry salt, caked smoke steak. During the month of March, these ships are sailing and they are very hot and they are sailing in this. Understood? So, this is what all about. Now, what they carry here, Tyne means a river in the northeast of England. One river that is northeast of England. Now, in this ship, the British ship, these are the things they carry: coal, road rails, pig lead, firewood, ironware, and cheap tin trays. All these things are can. Pig lead means oblong blocks of crude lead that have been extracted from or in a furnace, one kind of metal. Then opir, Then afterwards main doors, gold coins. Now channel. There is a channel in the mad. It is the channel of water between Britain and France is called the English Channel by the British, and Lomoch the sleeve by the French. This is the meaning. Now, coaster, a shallow hold ship that usually goes from port to port on the same island or continent carrying cargo. Now, all this you learnt the poem of cargo. I told you how they carry the things by ship, which for any purpose. Supposed now you are coming from very far land, you are transferred somewhere in Australia to somewhere, you think you transfer to India, or you are leaving that country and coming to India. So all the things you cannot carry by flight. What you do, you put everything in cargo, and the ship will carry. It maybe takes 1 month, 2 months. Slowly it will reach to your place and you will get it, isn't it? That is cargoes. This is a one poem written by John Misfield. So it is better that we have all kinds of knowledge in the books. I was really happy. The books gives so many all around knowledge for you. Not only that about the what that called people, not only the people who lived, the people who did. Now suppose other lessons you all learnt, small Perseus and the Gorgon. So all these stories you have learned. But in the poem also one separate this is there, that is for you to have some knowledge. Cargoes. And you may not be knowing so far what is cargo. Now you, at least through this poem, you are know what is a cargo. So once more I will read this poem. Be attentive. Queen Karim of Nineveh from distant Opir, rowing home to heaven in sunny Palestine, with a cargo of ivory and apes and peacocks, sandalwood, cedarwood, and sweet white wine. Stately Spanish galleon coming from the isthmus, dipping through the tropics by the palm green shores, with a cargo of diamonds, emeralds, amethyst, topazes, and cinnamon, and gold mindors. Dirty British coaster with the salt caked smokestack, butting through the channel in the mad March days, with the cargo of thine coal, road, rails, piglet, firewood, ironware, and cheap tin trays. So here ends this poem explanation, and read it, do it, cherish it, have a nice day, and don't forget to read, learn by heart. Next unit test, this poem will be there and you have to write by heart. Start to study now only, don't keep for the last moment. I am going to correct your papers. I'll see how well you have done. then only I will proceed for other things. Okay, bye.